Like referring back to sort of men's mental health, it's very much a bottled up conversation.
I think the person has to be very open and willing to listen, like, I guess, caring, and just know that the person's there for you, I think.
I know back in my high school, we had like a counsellor and stuff that you could talk to, but she was only available on like Mondays and Tuesdays, so if anyone was like busy or in important classes those days, they wouldn't be able to see her at all. It was just like a lack of areas and people they could talk to about stuff.
I think what people need is community-based sort of communication and community-based talking. So surrounding yourself with the right people to talk.
People like around my dad's age have said to me that like, oh, ADHD didn't exist when I was a kid or something. It's like, oh, well, it did, but you weren't educated on it. I feel like we do need to educate older people on the issues.